Hi, and welcome back to the Stained Canvas. So I just have some footage here of all the clutter and stuff I have collected inside of my art bag. This is a bag that I like to carry around with me all over the place, and as I was looking inside there, I could not believe the amount of clutter that I, as an artist, collect. It's just, I don't know if it's just part of being an artist and you want to save all the little bits and all the little doodads, but I have an unbelievable amount of stuff in my art bag, and I decided, maybe decluttering this thing would help me a little bit, because looking at the mass of mess in my bag really stunted me on making me feel creative. Like, clutter, I think, is a creativity killer. That's my thoughts on that. Because even if it's clean, like, clutter to me is not dirty, right? Clutter to me is just an overabundance of stuff. And when you have an overabundance of stuff, you kind of get lost in it. Like, you can't really pick out many details or pinpoint your next steps of things. So, like, for me, I even like to declutter art supplies in my bag, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm also watching, I think it's called Blood Ties. It's like an old TV show about a vampire. It's an old Canadian show. But decluttering, meaning I only need one pencil, or I only need, one thing of a certain type of art supply, or a certain limited color palette, that kind of thing. I try and help myself every couple of months. I try and empty out my bag, just for the fact that I tend to be like, oh, well, I want to just get this one more extra art supply, or like, I just need one more extra art supply. Like, I literally have 4 pens in my bag right now, and I only need one pen. Right? They're all like 4 different ballpoint pens in there. I have like 3 or 4 different micron pens. I only need one. So I find that if you declutter your art space and your art bags or your art whatever, make an effort to declutter that, it really opens up your creativity. Because then you're not like, oh, but what pen? You don't get stalled at, okay, what micron do I need to use, or what pencil do I need to use, right? Like, you only have one. Your choice is simple. You use the one pencil or the one marker or the one whatever you have. You know what I mean? So for me, really going through my bag is such a lifesaver for my creativity. And yeah, so like, tips for that is whittle it down. Whittle down as much as you possibly can. And hopefully you find yourself being more creative with that, because you have less choices to pick from. But that was my quick thought of the day. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and I'll see you guys next time on the Stained Canvas. Bye for now.